In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix checkout issues on Shopify in 2025. Whether you're an experienced Shopify store owner or just getting started, ensuring a smooth checkout process is vital to successfully operating your online store. A streamlined checkout experience not only boosts customer satisfaction, but also can significantly reduce cart abandonment rates. Let's dive into these steps to address common checkout problems, ensuring your customers have a seamless experience from browsing to buying. First, log into your Shopify admin panel and head over to My Store. This is your main dashboard, the control center from which you manage your store. It's important to regularly familiarize yourself with its layout as Shopify often introduces new features and updates. Once you're at the main dashboard, click on Settings, located at the bottom left-hand corner. From the Settings menu, access Users and Permissions. Here you can manage your staff accounts and permissions. Ensuring that the right team members have access to appropriate sections of your store can help you maintain an efficient operation. Next, click on Checkout within the Settings menu. The Checkout section is the heart of today's tutorial. This section allows you to control all the aspects related to your customer's purchase experience. Start by exploring the Configurations option. This gives you the ability to set specific checkout preferences, adjust settings related to your store's checkout experience, such as guest checkout options and whether you require accounts for purchase. Then select Customer Contact Method. Decide how customers can be prompted to provide their information, whether by email or phone number. This choice can impact user experience and data collection, so consider what makes sense for your audience. Now, move on to Customer Information. Verify that all necessary fields are filled out correctly and update any outdated or incorrect prompts. This will ensure all customer interactions are smooth and hassle-free. Following that, click on Marketing Options. This section allows you to determine how you can subtly promote your products during the checkout process. Ensuring these options are set up correctly can provide additional sales opportunities without intruding on the customer's primary buying journey. Next, explore the tipping options. If your store supports tipping, set your preferences here. Adjust the suggested amounts to suit your clientele best. This can add a nice option for service-based businesses. After that, check the post-purchase page. Decide what your customers should see right after their purchase is complete. Crafting a personalized message or suggesting related products can enhance their buying experience. Then, focus on checkout language. Make sure the language settings align with your store's primary audience, providing clarity and consistency throughout the purchasing process. Lastly, examine the Advanced Preferences and Checkout Rules. These sections allow for further customization nuances that can streamline how orders are processed and how conditions are met during checkout. With these steps complete, your Shopify store's checkout process should be running smoothly and efficiently. Remember, regularly revisiting these settings keeps your store optimized, ensuring a delightful shopping experience for your customers.